Alright, I'm not sure how much you can hear or see from me right now, but the car's now being painted, the majority of it, and it's looking real good now. So yeah, the boot is still to be polished internally. So yeah, it's looking real good now. All black in the interior, and they're now just rubbing it down. Yeah. Yeah. That's what it looks like now, and they've got the black on the guards. Doors being aligned now. Yeah, boot has been done. Yeah, so there we go. That's what it looks like right now. And then over here, the wings have been done. So that wing's been painted. This one's been painted, but they're working on the inside of the wing now to do some undercoat on the paint. So yeah, that's all been painted, but it's been protected right now. So yeah, that's what the inside of the other one will look like when it's finished. Get some paint inside. Yeah, so, and this hasn't been polished yet, would you believe? So yeah, looking real good. Very impressive.